Hi friends, in this video I'm going to discuss about the concept of format specifier inside of printf. You can clearly observe that the printf contains format specifier which is related to particular data type followed by variable okay, basically already we know that variable is holding the value and the format specifier must be in double quotations. As we know that format specifier integer and the format specifier is float. So if you take integer, inside integer we are defining %d, okay, and for floating we are defining %f, and we can also define like %2d, %3d, %4d and %5d. So what is the difference between %d and %2d? And similarly we can observe that %f 0.1f, %0.1f, %0.2f, %0.3f, %0.4f and so on. See, what is the difference between this and this? See, this is one of the important program for competitive exams and real-time scenarios, okay, real-time programming. So let us talk about this. See, let us talk about the first example related to integer. So the integer format specifier is %d. Whenever you define %d, compiler can understand this is the integer. Okay, so printf double quotations open, and we are going to write %d. So %d or %1d both are same. Okay, so a value. See, we can take a value like int a value is like 5. Okay, so similarly we can take the second time printf %2d of a. See, what is the difference between these two statements? So a value directly print 5, but second time the total space is 2, okay, and 5 will be printed here, and there is this one space available, okay, first space followed by 5. Similarly we can take next value like printf. I'm going to define %3d of, so in place of 3d I'm going to write 5d of a. So that is nothing but total space will be 5. Okay, so like 1 2 3 4, okay, 4 total we can expected 4 spaces and followed by 5. So this line is not available in the output, but for understanding purpose I'm defining line like that. Okay, total 4 spaces followed by the constant value 5. Total value is 5. Total 5 blocks. 1 2 3 4 5. So in the fifth block 5 will be printed, remaining 4 blocks are empty. So this is the way we can printing the integer value. I hope you know that what is the difference between %d and %2d, %3d or %7d. Okay, so this is one of the important printf statement in some competitive field. Let us observe the output. See, you can clearly observe that output is like first a value printed like 2 directly. So we already defined a value is a 2, int of a value is a 2. Okay, 2 printed directly, and next one is like %2d. %2d means total 2 spaces and 1 gap. So similarly %3d, total 3, okay, and here 2 spaces and 2. So next one is like 4 spaces, and next one is total 4 and 3 spaces, total 5, 4 spaces. So like that we can defining the value, right? I hope you understand what is the output of this concept, right? Let us take the second example, which is related to float. So already we know that in previous classes float format specifier is %f. Okay, so here I'm writing printf, okay, printf %f followed by, I'm going to write like some float b equal to some value like 2.56789. Okay, so this is the value. So I'm writing like first time %f followed by b. Okay, so similarly printf, you can use \n in program. I'm writing like 0.1f followed by b. Okay, so that means in this case output will be as it is. So the precision of floating value is 6. Okay, like 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 is sufficient, no zeros. Okay, if you observe this output 0.1, that means 2 value will be printed as it is and expected 5. The remaining all values are ignored by the compiler. So similarly we can take one more example like printf %l 0.3f of b. So that means 2.3, right? 3 means 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So that is nothing but 5, 6, 7. The remaining 8, 9 is not printed. Okay, so this is the way we can print. See, in Turbo C++ you can use this kind of notations, but in Quincy, you can observe this program. In this program 25.678912, a value will be printed as it is. Okay, and after that 0.1 means only 0.6 will be printed. See, after 0.6 7 is there. Okay, so then it will become 0.7. Next here 0.2 means 225.67. so after 7 value is 8, so 27.68. next we can 0.3f 25.6, 7 and 8. After 8 we have 9, so expected output is 25.679. so 3 decimals. Next one is this one, 4 decimals, 25.6789. after 9 1, so output is as it is 25.6789. so this is the way we can printing the values in output screen. So this after point whatever value defined, that much of values will be displayed, and so it is evaluated with the next number. So let us execute the program. See, after compiling the program output will be like this. Okay, so 0.1f means only 1 decimal, 0.2f means 2 decimals, 0.3 means 3 decimals, 0.4 means 4 decimal, but last value is round of the value. Okay, you have to observe that, right? So this is the information about how to use %f, 0.f and %d and %2d, etc. Thank you for watching this video.